Got caught in me of everything I know that I want everything and nothing at all. But that part of me that never knows I know it. It's getting old to me and keeping my eyes closed. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you lately, lately.
With the big strawberry. At the big strawberry. Got some souvenirs and the strawberry ice cream. It's a good day.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you lately, 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 lately.
Oh, well done.
I can see in everything I feel now.
Cosmo's little friend Kono won't let us leave.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, bye bud. Bye Kono. He scared all the butterflies, bud. We bought a squeegee from the pirate shop in Yarrawonga. And it extends! How good! Now we can kneel down! How beautiful! Now we can squeegee the van wherever we like. Oh! I'd like to ask everyone viewing this, when you squeegee your car, do you do it down or do you go across? Let me know, because we have different tactics. The beautiful reflection of the trees too. Look how shiny we are. We just stopped at this cutest little stall on the side of the road. And what did we get? Fruit, nuts.
Berries and nuts.
Very nice. Should be good. Local stuff is like 1,000 times better than supermarket stuff. Like these taste delicious. We've just made our way to Smoko Campground in Victoria. Looks pretty nice. Cosmo's enjoying it so far. We're gonna go check out the river and see what it looks like. We got super soakers at the cheap shop today. See who sprayed my entire face. Him. I've just started to get into running again, and running amongst nature, like with such an upbeat song playing, the adrenaline and endorphins are just, God, they are so high. We've just stopped here at Danny's Lookout. Rowan's put the drone up. Pretty cool. This whole drive so far from Wangaratta to where we are has just been spectacular. So we're planning to go through Omeo today. It's just such a great road. It's beautiful. Spectacular views. What do you reckon, Cosmo? Good views? So this road basically gets covered in snow in the winter, which I didn't even know happened in Australia. And they have these poles to let you know where the road is. So it must get really foggy and snowy. That's crazy. I honestly had no idea that places in Australia could get this snowy in the winter. I've seen snow probably like twice in my life from Canberra. So yeah, pretty spectacular. A fatal accident has occurred on the Great Alpine Road as we were travelling on it. We speak about the details. If you wish to skip ahead, please do so. We've just stopped in at Dinner Plains on the Great Alpine Road. We were turned back just before Omeo because a tragic accident had happened on the road where somebody hit a cyclist and they drove away, and they're pretty confident that it's fatal. So very, very heavy heart today. The road will be closed for a few hours and we're just gonna hang out at Dinner Plains for a while. Just can't stop thinking about that poor cyclist family. Absolutely tragic. Very sad. Just played tennis at the local courts and Rowan won 6-3. Quite embarrassing.
What a surprise.
And just thought I should update you, I lost at chess as well.
Winner.
Diesel's quite expensive up in the mountains. 188.9. Just trying to watch a little YouTube here.
Someone wants attention. I can barely see it.
Oh, thanks, bud. Look at all of these captions and everything he's turned on. This morning, we're going to do the explosive magazine loop. Takes 45 minutes. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. We're going to walk through the forest. Should be a good one. Can you jump it, Cosmo? Ooh. And perfect timing as we get back to the van. Wow.
No more dropping water in the freezer.
Oh gosh.
It's been snowing in Sale. Want some, bud?
This is how you have to stack a week's worth of food into this little fridge. We're doing well so far. I feed her up on the fridge because we just had to get something out of the drawer. Wish us luck. Rowan just found this caterpillar on the roof of our van.
Is it deadly? We don't know.
We don't know. All the caterpillars I've ever seen have been green.
That's why I'm much deadly.
Red striped caterpillar. Does anybody know? We're gonna try and make him a little home because Chloe Zepp said on her Instagram that only 2 to 5% of caterpillars actually survive in the wild. So we're gonna help this little guy become a butterfly. If he does, we're still not sure if the red stripes mean anything.
Here's Darby, the wildlife warrior.
Yep. Put him in. He's grabbing on.
Nice.
Now what? We just wait till he becomes a butterfly?
Or until he escapes and gets in our sheets.
No, don't say that. Oh my god, he is escaping. He's loving his little home. Let me prop you up. I think we caught a caterpillar that's going to turn into a moth. And not a butterfly. Because we did some research and apparently the ones that turn into a butterfly are not furry or hairy. And this one is very furry. Show them the little house you made for them.
Beautiful.
Got some little dirt at the bottom.
It's not just rubbish.
We found him on our roof rack, which is really cool. He wasn't on a plant or anything. He's just walking away.
Guest appearance.
Oh, guest appearance.
He's very jealous of the new pet.
What do you think, Cosmo?
Dinner.
Don't be mean. So yeah, we're not sure if we should keep it because it's going to turn into a moth.
It's gonna be ugly.
But it only has a 2 to 5% chance of surviving in the wild. So maybe we should keep it and like let it grow into a moth. So stay tuned. Our caterpillar moth series begins today. Oh dear. Looks like Cosmo has got himself in a bit of a pickle. Seems to have wrapped himself around a tree. Hi, bud. Happy Valentine's Day. Full of love today. If you come to 90 Mile Beach and see this, we're sending you so much love. I thought you were going to step in it. Go on. No, I couldn't imagine. Oh, cute. Now you've pressed it in so it'll be there forever. What do you reckon, bud? Dig it up together. This is Cosmo's friend Lucky. Hello, Lucky. This is where we've camped for the night. It's campsite number 6 along 90 Mile Beach. It's 2 days later now and he's thriving. We found him on the inside of this stick this morning. He was on the outside yesterday, so we've managed to keep him alive. We've named him Callum, so I'll keep you updated. I would just like to show you guys the state of my leg right now after all these mozzie bites that are literally annihilating me. Just thought I'd let you know. Stunning. Also, how cute is my new little bucket hat? Got it for $6 from the pirate shop in Yarrawonga. Rowan just put the drone up and all of these bats just flew out of the trees. So how many bats have you disturbed today? Cosmo's still quite scared of the drone because it nearly hit him in the face one day. Yeah, didn't it, bud? The past couple days our fridge hasn't been keeping temperature very well, so we took the fridge into a fridge repair place today, and they're trying to fix it, but now we've just got all of this food sitting out. Ooh, hello. Hello. Around this way. Now you can go. I swear this fridge has been nothing but trouble since we bought it. We also ran out of gas for our stove today, so that was just the cherry on top of the cake. We're about to go pick up our fridge. We're hoping it's working. Tune in next week to see if we're at another repair shop. Bye, thanks for watching.